Rockwater Secret Cove Resort, a coastal retreat worth the journey. We're off to Rockwater Secret Cove Resort, a serene oceanfront haven nestled in the forested cliffs of Half Moon Bay on British Columbia's Sunshine Coast. Just 2 hours from downtown Vancouver, this peaceful retreat blends luxury with nature in the most breathtaking way. We stayed in one of the resort's oceanfront penthouse suites, a stunning space perched above the waves with panoramic views that left us speechless. The suite featured a large spa bathtub for 2, radiant heated floors, and the soothing sound of rainfall on the tent roof that made the evening feel magical. The wind rustling through the trees and against the canvas walls added to the ambience, relaxing rather than disruptive. That said, the experience came with a few quirks. The walk from the parking area to our suite took about 10 minutes, and we had to haul our luggage along the scenic treetop boardwalk. There was no microwave in the suite, so reheating leftovers meant a 20-minute walk to the main office. Still, the views and tranquility made it all worthwhile. The resort offers plenty of outdoor perks, including complimentary kayak rentals, a heated pool, and access to nearby hiking trails. It's a place where you can truly unplug, unwind, and reconnect with nature. During our stay, we sat on the balcony enjoying the serene view when a curious squirrel came by. He perched silently on a nearby branch, studying us as if we were part of the scenery. Later, a majestic bald eagle swooped overhead and settled on a tree a few yards away, its presence quiet and commanding. The next morning, a graceful deer wandered down to the waterline, lingering for a moment before vanishing into the mist. And all the while, a noisy raven made its opinions known, cawing loudly at us as though narrating the unfolding wilderness ballet. Nature never missed a beat.